Mamunyiginyigi wa mugongo ni kiega kiri bata munene mwiri-ini wa mundu na he bata kwimenyagirira mahinda mothe ni amu no wonje ndagika oro yothe riria wagurara kumana na itumi itiganite.
In the long run, over a long period.
Dagitari Dennis Osinyo kuma thibitari nene ya kurumbuya mathina ma mamunyiginyigi wa mugongo ni aratariria bata wa mamunyiginyigi mwiri-ini.
Whose main function is to act like a code relaying information from the body, from the brain to the peripheral parts of the body.
Na hihi ni oi, munyiginyigi ukoragwo na tumahidi tunini turia tutigithukanitio ni ngathika.
And then the spinal cord passes just in between the vertebrae. So the spine is basically the backbone. It's what we call the backbone that supports the body.
Mwiri wa mundu obetwo o ati no hote gukua uritu waguo na kutamburukia wiganaine mwiri-ini. Kuringana na ataramu a ugima mwega wa mwiri, mundu agiriirwo gukomera mukondoro mumereru niguo ndugakorwo na thina wa mugongo uria ucungagiriria thina wa mamunyiginyigi.
If constantly we are putting pressure on our back or our neck, then of course with time we start complaining of back pains or neck pains. We wake up in the morning and somebody says, "Sekulala vizuri, I have pains, I feel I'm tired." You don't even sleep well.
Murigitani Osinyo ni aratara andu othe kugaruranagia mukondoro waku thutha wa mieri 3 niguo kugiririria mukondoro cio kuhorokera undu uria ni ugwati hari mugongo waku.
Some mattresses are labeled. They are even written that after 3 months you turn it opposite, you turn it the other way around. You have to turn head, toe, head, and after sometimes you turn the whole thing together. That's very important because we realize that with time the mattress become flabby, and in that state we are not supporting the back.
Wahota gukorwo wendete gukomera mukondoro muhuthu na muhorokeru. No kuringana na murigitani na ataramu ucio ni wonje uria yethera.
And we therefore should use mattresses that support that alignment so that there is no pressure created at any point of the body. So if you use a mattress which is very soft, then with time you will definitely start complaining of back pains or neck pains or even joint pains.
Na riria wakoma Dagitari Osinyo ni aratara andu kuhuthira muto mahinda mothe.
When we are choosing our pillow, we should make sure that we take into account our preferred sleeping positions. Because if you prefer sleeping on your back, the type of pillow you use is different from a person who prefers sleeping on the side. If you have broad shoulders, the type of pillows that you should use that can support your neck is different from somebody who has narrow shoulders. If you take a small pillow and you give it to a broad-shouldered person, then it will not be supporting the neck. If we sleep on our stomach and we use a pillow at the same time, then we are distorting the alignment of the spine, and we are therefore likely to suffer from back problems.
Ni wega kumenyerera munyiginyigi waku tondu ungigurara nduhonagwo no ni kuri dawa cia kunina ruo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.